So here is Super Duolingo overview. If you want, you can upgrade. They have a lot of ads to upgrade, and they offer 14 days free trial if you upgrade on yearly plan, or 7-day free trial if you upgrade on monthly. So here are ad-free lessons. There is like a more mistake practice in the practice hub. Prove your proficiency with unlimited attempts at legendary. Don't worry about mistakes with unlimited hearts. And then turn your Duolingo Super Duolingo app icon to get started. And then, as you can see, you're also changing app icon. And then so that's basically the idea. So now you have Duolingo super icon. So if you find Duolingo, you can just see that this is a super icon. So that's what you can see here. And yes, so that's the idea. I mean, you just decide whether you want to upgrade. You can see the menu in the top part, Super Duolingo, and then you can just customize these features. The best feature is probably just remove the ads, because a lot of ads here can be super annoying. So that's just what it is. And then also you can start a family plan if you wanna. So that's just what you have here. You just decide. It's not cheap, I need to say. Yeah, so probably if you're just dedicated to learn a language, that probably makes sense. Otherwise doesn't really make sense. Yeah, you can just watch ads, and yeah, you can just collect gems. But yeah, there you have it.